I hear the angels talking, talking, talking. Now I'm a dead man walking, walking, walking. I hear the angels talking, talking, talking. Now I'm a dead man. I hear the angels talking, talking, talking. Now I'm a dead man walking, walking, walking. I hear the angels talking, talking, talking. Now I'm a dead.
Our first magic trick will be 2 candles and matchsticks. How the traveling flame works. Light a candle. Yeah. Have a second source of flame ready, such as another candle or a matchsticks. Start the candle and immediately place the other flame into a smoke.
The next magic trick is common.
Go!
You only need a few common kitchen ingredients to perform this science magic trick.
Pour water into a plate or bowl. Shake some pepper into the water. If you dip your finger into the pepper and water, nothing much happens. If you put a drop of dishwashing liquid on your finger and then dip it into the pepper and water, it will rush to the other edges of the dish. Hi! Do you know how to put out the candle without blowing it? Here's how. You only need is a lighted candle and a transparent glass. Just put the glass over the candle and wait until the flame goes out.
How to burn money without actually burning. Materials are candle, tongs, and alcohol, salt, and money. First step, light the candle. Next step, add the salt to the alcohol. Soak the 20 peso bill. And put it into the pile.
How the traveling flame tricks works. This fire trick is based on how candles work. When you light a candle, the heat from the flame vaporizes the candle wax. When you blow the candle out, vaporize. How the traveling flame tricks work. The fire trick is based on how candles work. When you light the candle, the heat from the flame vaporizes the candle wax. When you blow the candle out, vaporized wax briefly remains in the air. If you apply a heat source quickly enough, you can ignite the wax and use that reaction to relight the wick of the candle.
When you add dishwashing to the liquid to the water, the surface tension of the water is lowered. Water normally bulges up a bit, like what you see when you look at water drops. When the surface tension is lowered, the water wants to spread out. As the water splatters on the dish, and the pepper wants to spread out, as the water splatters on the place, the pepper that is floating to the top of the water is carried to the outer edge of the plate and it's magic.
A combustion reaction occurs between alcohol and oxygen, producing heat and light, and carbon dioxide and water. When the pill dissolves an alcohol solution, the alcohol has a high vapor pressure and is mainly on the outside of the material. A pill is more like fabric than paper, which is nice. When the pill is clean, the alcohol is not actually burned. The temperature at which the alcohol burns is not high enough, which has a high specific heat. So the pill remains wet and isn't able to catch fire on its own. After the alcohol has burned, the flame goes out, leaving a slightly damp petri.
Flame needed oxygen to keep burning. When the carbon dioxide filled up the bowl, the flame was starved and the oxygen went out.